Yeah. The next speaker is Mr. Shiba. The title is Shall We Enjoy Math? Mr. Shiba, please.
Do you like math? I think math is the most enjoyable subject of all. Look at these statistics. This is from a questionnaire made by the company Bandai on favorite subjects and subjects students were poor at among elementary and junior high school students. Strangely, both the most popular subject and subject students were the poorest at was math, and many people who answered, "I'm poor at math," also said, "I hate math." In other words, the people who do math are clearly divided into people who feel math is boring and difficult, and people who feel math is fun and easy. Clearly, if students can like math, they do better at it. Today, I'd like to make a speech to help everyone enjoy math by explaining 3 enjoyable points of math: flashes of inspiration, regularity, and profoundness. First, our joy bursts when a difficult math solution flashes into our minds. The more difficult problems we solve, the bigger joy will fill our hearts. In other words, we can feel like Detective Conan. He collects a lot of clues and links them together in one straight line and solves the case of murder. This is the face filled with pleasure when he solved the case. In the same way, we solve math problems by connecting many points logically by using deductive reasoning, and when a solution flashes into our minds, we get extremely excited. If all students felt this joy, they would lose all feelings of math is boring. Second, there are many regularities in math. Once we learned one solution, it allows us to solve another. For example, look at this figure. What's the length of this side? When I was an elementary school student, I had to seek the answer by making square with 4 congruent triangles. This solution was a great bother. However, now I can solve it with Pythagorean theorem. When I first learned it, I was so surprised at how easy I could solve it. In this way, we can solve complicated problems much easier by using regularity such as theorems or formulas. Finally, math is a profound subject. For example, let's think about 1 divided by 0. If you have a cell phone, please input 1 divided by 0 in the calculator. In fact, the answer differs with each calculator, so there comes various answers such as error, infinity, or maybe hiragana, n. Isn't that strange? Actually, 1 divided by 0 has been researched for a long time, and there are so many opinions. Here, I'll show you 2 opinions of them. One opinion is that 1 divided by 0 is the same as dividing 1 cake for no people. However, nobody receives the cake, so it doesn't make sense. Another opinion is that division means how many times we can minus the divisor, and we can minus 0 from 1 over and over, so the answer will be infinity. In such a way, math problems which look simple at first can be considered so deeply. Interesting, isn't it? In conclusion, flashes of inspiration, regularity, and profoundness are so attractive factors of math. Some people might say that English, science, or social studies are more practical than math. However, math can raise our power of logical thinking, and that logical thinking can be applied to the other subjects. In any event, no other subject is more enjoyable than math. Why not enjoy math? Thank you.